Hello, gurus.
And welcome to another episode.
We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you technical analysis and technical how to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum in this video. Also, Tesla is pumping, which is beautiful.
Yes.
Hit the subscribe button, join 79,000 people, smash that thumbs up button, turn on that bell notification. If you've been watching me for 3.5 years, I'm a retired multimillionaire. Not really retired. I also have the projects Magicraft and ChatGod, which are exploding. And I work a lot, huh?
Yes.
How often?
Just every day, every night, all the time.
Yeah, I need to chill more. I'm so rich, but it's okay. I'm making Magicraft. I wanted to pump. I wanted to be one of the biggest companies in the world. ChatGod already has 230,000 users, which is amazing. We just came from MMA, so we're tired. From Muay Thai. How was it?
Nice. One kid kicked my ass. And me, I cannot kick him because he is kid.
Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. By the way, Beyonce is so hot and she's a doctor. So she's a hot doctor. Tesla is up yesterday 4.5%, in pre-market 5.9%, which is massive. I bought a huge position, one of my biggest positions. I bought it at $100. So I made 130% on Tesla since January, which is incredible. And a lot of you followed that trade, so congratulations. SUI up a lot, IDEX up a lot. I just want to say, if you've been following my videos, I've made so many multimillionaires that it's insane. You can join us in the Telegram and you can talk with people that trade. And you can see, also if you go to jamescryptoguru.com, you can see at the bottom, there's lots of reviews from people buying $1 million houses, $2 million houses, cars, paying for bills, and I'm doing all of this from my iPhone, which is amazing. Let's jump back into technicals for Bitcoin. We're going back in, market quite green. MCRT 1.6% down, DXY down a little bit, FXS down a little bit, but not much. IOTA down a little bit. Let's go into Bitcoin, and we'll do Ethereum and Bitcoin and the total market cap of all cryptos. Actually, I need to check the NASDAQ. So Bitcoin is following this trend line. This is going back to the beginning of 2023 when we bought it at 16K. It's been heading up. This was when my trade got liquidated. Remember, I had a $1 million trade or something. Then we went up to 30K, which sucked because it just hit my liquidation down there by $100. But we still traded and made massive gains here. Now it's coming down on this trend line and it's coming to a point here. This is a symmetrical triangle. Builds pressure, and usually breaks to the trend up. So I do think Bitcoin can go for a run here once it comes down here. Stochastic is midway coiling on the daily. Weekly it's monthly heading up, weekly turning down, daily heading up, 4 hourly heading up with volume a little bit small, hourly volume heading up as well. But what was interesting is Binance blocked the ability for USDT and Bitcoin barely moved. So in my opinion, it's showing massive strength. This is the trade that I want to take on Bitcoin. I showed it earlier today. It hasn't activated. I think we come down for a little bit and then activate this trade and then head up. So you could short it from here, but it's a bit risky. There is a lot of resistance. Here is the point that would be a good short because there's so much resistance. So this is the trade that I want to take, this long from the bottom here. I'm getting a bounce back, going back here, and then taking a potential massive long to the top of this bigger channel. This is the long that I want to take on Bitcoin. Risk to reward is massive. Let's pull it down here. It opens at the support here. And stop loss just underneath. So this is massive. 128 risk to reward ratio trade. Risking $83 to make $10,808. Nowhere else in the world can you risk $83 to make $10,800 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that's $108,000. With 100x leverage, that's a $1 million trade on Bitcoin from that support there. And again, you could take a little short from here, possible little short from here, but it's dangerous. I would only take a very little short with a very tight stop loss because Bitcoin is showing extreme strength because of Binance. But you could take a short here. So I expect that Bitcoin drops down, has a little bit of a bounce here, and then we have to see what happens there. So there's three overall trades you can take on Bitcoin based off this TA. You have this short here, expecting Bitcoin to drop down to that second trade. So this short risks $74 to make $966 with 10x leverage, $9,600, 12 risk to reward, shorting it to go down, then activating a long from here to go up. That's the trade setups I would take on Bitcoin. The way you short Bitcoin, stop loss 26,685, trade opens at 26,611, take profit is here, 25,000, and then it switches. Then I go long. Trade opens at 25,645, stop loss 25,565, and take profit all the way up at that 35K. So those are the two main trades that I would take on Bitcoin right now. Which is beautiful. That's on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you see under the videos, go down below in the description under the video. Learn to set up your charts, take the crypto master course, join 7,000 students, and you learn how to set up your charts on TradingView, how to trade, how to open trades, how to short, how to long, all in the course. There's 12 lessons, more than 7,000 students. Trade using BuyBit exchange. It's my favorite exchange for trading. You get a $30,000 US bonus when you sign up using BuyBit. And you can join that free Telegram, 8,500 traders, or there's nearly 9,000 traders in that free Telegram trading together. So all those links are in the description of the video. Go down below. So go down, I'm still sweaty from Muay Thai. Go down below, sign up to BuyBit using those links, take the course, then you learn how to trade. And on BuyBit, I've got my IOTA trade. It's $720 down. It's a $107,000 trade. I've got my bigger Bitcoin trade. I've got more buy orders for IOTA. I've got my Bitcoin trade set at 25,700 to go long to Bitcoin. I've got my Ethereum trade set at 16,795 Ethereum, which is beautiful. In this account, I have $267,000 in here. I've got 40,000 of Bitcoin, $40,000 of MCRT, $18,000 of Uniswap, up a little bit today. It's $18,000 of FXS. FXS is down a bit today, so I'm going to buy another $1,000 of it at the current price, buying FXS. I've also got a bunch of buy orders. I've got a lot of orders here. You can see FXS order at 5.9. Oh, that's filling right now, but it went up a little bit. I've got Bitcoin orders at 25K, Bitcoin orders at 23,000, FXS at $4, FXS at $5.20. And Uniswap at $4, which is beautiful. Those are all my trade setups, which is awesome. Now let's look at, what do I want to look at? The total market. Let's look at the NASDAQ, because right now for me, my stocks have made massive, massive gains. I bought Google, Facebook, Tesla, TSM. So now I need to make sure that I don't lose these gains after the bull run finishes on the tech stocks. And when you zoom out, so this is the NASDAQ. I predicted this breakout. If you followed me on the NASDAQ trades, I perfectly predicted this downtrend line. I messaged everyone that I think it's going to break out here. We got the breakout. Then I had this rising triangle, this ascending wedge kind of, or rising triangle, build pressure. And I predicted this breakout, which is beautiful. And now the Crypto Guru bot is firing a blue buy on the weekly. It fired it 3 weeks ago, which is amazing. Daily, it's also overbought. It fired a blue buy. We're at a very strong resistance right now, but it didn't get rejected very strongly off that resistance, and it's creating a huge W. But it's always smart to take profit on the resistances. But if it breaks through, then the next stop is 14,000 on the NASDAQ, and I really think we're going to go there because of the money printing that the Fed is about to do. On the 4 hourly, we're turning back up. On the hourly, we're turning up, so we're going to have a pump on the NASDAQ, in my opinion. And especially with Tesla right now up 5% in pre-market, I think we're going to have some mega pump on the tech stocks, the NASDAQ. And that's the channel, the parabolic rise that it's on right now. Let's see if it can hold this parabolic rise. Actually, it will be more like this. There's three touches on the trend line. So you can see here that the NASDAQ, as I teach you in the Crypto Master Course and the Stock Guru Master Course, two touches on the trend line here. And here we've got 1, 2, 3 touches. So those are the two trend lines. I think we're going to pump though on the NASDAQ, which is beautiful. That's my analysis on Bitcoin. Those are my trades on Bitcoin, Ethereum, FXS. Check out MCRT. There's a big information. You got to pay attention to MCRT, everyone. Really pay attention to MCRT. None of this is financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence, consult your broker, consult your financial professionals. This is what I'm doing in markets. Those are my trades. That's my prediction on the NASDAQ, the tech stocks. That's my prediction on Bitcoin. Check out MCRT and pay attention to it. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell, comment down below. What are you buying in the markets, or what do you want me to analyze? And join us. Take that 1, 2, 3, the steps down below. Take the course, sign up to BuyBit, and join us in the free Telegram and discuss with other traders. Make sure you've taken the course when you join the Telegram so you can really understand what everyone's doing. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.